The ultralight transport chair Model X1 is remarkably easy to use, folding and unfolding in just 1 second, making it perfect for travel and fitting snugly into most car trunks. Constructed with a durable aluminum frame, this chair combines lightweight maneuverability with long-lasting performance, providing a reliable support system for users. Safety is prioritized with features such as a safety belt, shock-absorbing springs for a smooth ride, and a dual brake system that ensures secure stopping. Comfort is enhanced by breathable seat and backrest materials, along with a supportive footrest, ensuring a pleasant experience for extended periods of use. ProTraverse offers lifetime after-sales support, including a hassle-free return policy and a 3-year frame warranty, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. This transport chair is highly portable, featuring a telescopic handle that makes it easy to carry on public transportation, including airplanes, subways, and buses.